Nissan Terra 4x4 is a powerful and reliable SUV designed for those who require performance, durability, and comfort both on and off the road. With its rugged build and impressive specifications, the Terra 4x4 has quickly become a popular choice for adventurers and families alike who need a vehicle capable of handling a variety of terrains and conditions. At the heart of the Nissan Terra 4x4 is a robust engine designed to deliver excellent power output. This SUV is typically equipped with a 2.5-liter turbocharged diesel engine, which produces ample horsepower and torque to handle tough conditions. The engine is paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission that ensures smooth acceleration and efficient fuel consumption. The vehicle's powertrain is engineered to provide exceptional towing capacity, making it a suitable choice for those who need to haul heavy loads or tow a trailer during their travels. The Terra's 4x4 drivetrain ensures that the vehicle can conquer rugged terrains, whether it's a muddy trail, steep incline, or sandy desert. One of the standout features of the Nissan Terra 4x4 is its ability to adapt to different driving environments. The vehicle comes equipped with a sophisticated four-wheel drive system that offers both on-road and off-road driving modes. The driver can easily switch between 2WD and 4WD modes, depending on the terrain. The 4x4 system is paired with an electronic locking rear differential, which enhances the vehicle's traction in challenging conditions, ensuring stability and control when driving through mud, snow, or uneven surfaces. The Terra also features an advanced suspension system that helps absorb shocks from rough roads and enhances stability during off-road adventures. The design of the Nissan Terra 4x4 is both stylish and practical, with an emphasis on comfort and safety. The exterior features bold lines and a commanding stance, giving the SUV an imposing presence on the road. The front end is dominated by a large, chrome-finished grille, which complements the vehicle's sharp headlights. The Terra is equipped with high ground clearance, allowing it to tackle obstacles like rocks, tree roots, and uneven terrain without getting stuck. The large, robust tires contribute to its off-road prowess, ensuring a smooth and secure ride across various surfaces. Inside, the Nissan Terra 4x4 offers a spacious and comfortable cabin that can accommodate up to 7 passengers. The vehicle is designed with premium materials, offering a refined and luxurious feel. The seats are upholstered in soft leather or durable fabric, and the second and third rows can be folded down to create additional cargo space when needed. The Terra's interior is designed for convenience, featuring a range of technology and infotainment options. The central touchscreen is easy to use and offers connectivity options such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth. The vehicle also includes a premium audio system, ensuring that passengers can enjoy high-quality sound during their journeys. In terms of safety, the Nissan Terra 4x4 is equipped with a comprehensive suite of features designed to protect both the driver and passengers. The vehicle comes with multiple airbags, including side and curtain airbags, which provide added protection in the event of a collision. The Terra is also equipped with advanced driver assistance systems such as forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. These systems work together to enhance safety by helping the driver avoid accidents and providing an extra layer of protection in dangerous situations. The Nissan Terra 4x4 also boasts impressive towing capabilities. With a towing capacity of up to 3,500 kilograms, it can easily handle a caravan, boat, or trailer, making it an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts and those who enjoy weekend getaways. Whether it's hauling a boat to the lake or a trailer to a camping site, the Terra provides the power and stability needed for these tasks. Fuel efficiency is another area where the Nissan Terra 4x4 stands out. Despite its powerful engine and off-road capabilities, the vehicle is designed to offer competitive fuel consumption figures. This makes it an attractive choice for those who want a capable off-road vehicle without sacrificing fuel economy. The Terra's efficient diesel engine ensures that it can cover long distances on a single tank, making it ideal for road trips and long journeys. The Nissan Terra 4x4 is also equipped with a range of convenience features that enhance the driving experience. Keyless entry, push-button start, and a power-adjustable driver's seat are just a few of the features that make the Terra a comfortable and user-friendly vehicle. Additionally, the SUV offers ample storage space, with numerous compartments and a large trunk, making it ideal for families or individuals who need extra room for luggage or gear. For those looking to take on challenging terrains, the Nissan Terra 4x4 delivers an exceptional performance both on and off the road. The vehicle's well-rounded design, which combines rugged durability with modern comfort and technology, makes it a versatile choice for a wide range of drivers. Whether navigating through city streets or tackling mountain trails, the Terra provides a smooth and reliable ride, ensuring that its occupants remain comfortable and secure no matter where the journey takes them. In conclusion, the Nissan Terra 4x4 is an exceptional vehicle that excels in both off-road and on-road driving conditions. With its powerful engine, advanced four-wheel drive system, and rugged design, the Terra is an excellent choice for those who need a versatile and capable SUV. The spacious interior, modern technology, and comprehensive safety features further enhance its appeal, making it a well-rounded option for families and adventure seekers alike. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country road trip or exploring the great outdoors, the Nissan Terra 4x4 is ready to take on any challenge that comes its way.